Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. I am here for you with a new updated video of Indian Television Awards highlights which was held in Mumbai last night. ITA Awards 2021 was held in Mumbai on February 14th. The award show was attended by television and digital stars. Popular stars were honored at ITA Awards 2021 on February 14. On the 20th Indian Television Awards was announced on Sunday, and the best on television and digital medium were felicitated. The award ceremony was hosted by Manish Paul and was attended by the popular faces of the tele and OTT world, which included Shweta Tiwari, Crystal D'Souza, Dheeraj Dupar and Ekta Kapoor among others. Founded by Anu Ranjan and Shashi Ranjan, ITA Awards is an award show where artists of various TV shows and web series are nominated and felicitated for their performance. Scam 1992, Anupama, Nagin 5 and the Kapil Sharma Show are some of the shows that won big this year. The voting of ITA Awards 2020 commenced on November 23, 2020 and came to an end on February 11 this year. The ITA Awards that celebrates excellence on the small screen also awarded the best in digital medium this year. ITA honored popular television and web shows that made its mark with milestone and landmark awards. Okay then, why so late? Let's go to our highlights. Watch the video without skipping, you'll definitely going to love it. Malika Singh, who was called as Cutie of the Silver Screen of B-Town. She arrived at the award function and she claimed her award. Then she do some poses for her fans and was spotted by a news reporter who asked her about her feeling towards her fans who voted for her to win the award. She said that it's your day. You chose me over others. First of all, thanks for all. I am here because of only you people. Without your support, I can't do anything. Thank you for giving my hard work and achievement. As the cutie of the B-Town of Silver Screen was arrived in a silver look, which was looking so hot. She attracts her fans with her emotional sayings and also with her hot outfit, which attract everyone on the function. Next, the romantic king of Silver Screen of B-Town arrived there. Guess who he was? He is none other than Sumedh Mudigalkar. He arrived there with blue and white combo suit, which looked stunning for him. He expressed his feeling to her fans for winning the award by saying, "Everything I have is my fans. We all need your support for our lifetime. This is not our life, it's yours." And he touches the hearts of his fans by saying these sweet sayings. And next, the popular actor of Nagin 5, Surbhi Chandna, walked across the red carpet. In the popular category, Surbhi Chandna won the Best Actress Award for Nagin 5. As she came to the award function in a beautiful and attractive outfit, Surbhi Chandna wore a black and pink gown for the event. It had cutouts in it. She took home a couple of awards. And also, another hot actor, Dheeraj Dupar, also walked across the red carpet of the award function, which was held on 14th Feb in Mumbai. As per the report, actor Dheeraj Dupar won 3 trophies. He won one for Best Actor, while the others were for his shows Kundali Bhagya and Nagin 5. The actor posted a picture on Instagram alongside a lengthy caption where he thanked a number of people for his achievement before adding, "It has truly been a blessing to be a part of such landmark shows as Kundali Bhagya and Nagin 5. Coming to Shivangi Joshi, The Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai star looked stunning in a satin pink dress and opted for a glossy makeup look. Mohsin Khan, on the other hand, also looked dapper in all black look. The rest of the star cast of Yark could also be seen joining them at the event. Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai actors Shivangi Joshi and Mohsin Khan looked stunning in satin pink and black suit respectively. And another hot actress walked across the red carpet of the award function. She was none other than Nagin Seri's stunning hot actress Ada Khan. Ada Khan chose a red shimmering gown for the do. It looks like she had a performance. She arrived at IT award function with stunning red dress, looking so hot, as the hot actress posed for the media and spoke with reporters about her experience of winning the award. End of the function, she was spotted as the hot actress of the day. Coming to the next one, Ekta Kapoor, who has produced a slew of iconic shows under her production house Balaji Telefilms, has been honored with the Hall of Fame award at the Indian Television Academy Awards. The 20th edition of the Indian Television Academy Awards was held on 14 February 2021 in Mumbai. While accepting the award, Kapoor said, "I cannot be taking the Hall of Fame award when I feel as if I have just started. This journey for me has been interesting, but thank you to all the actors, everyone who has been part of my journey and who thank me and say these wonderful things. But guys, I have just started. I hope to come back 20 years later." Ekta Kapoor took the opportunity to also thank the Indian Television Academy, her family and friends for being a part of her journey. She took her Instagram account as well to thank ITA for this award. Coming to the next one, Paridhi Sharma. Paridhi Sharma is an Indian television actress. She began her acting career in 2010 with the Indian soap opera Tere Mere Sapne on Star Plus. She is portraying the role of Jodhabai in Ekta Kapoor's historical drama Jodha Akbar. She walked across the red carpet of the ITA award function, which was held yesterday in Mumbai. She wore a beautiful blue outfit so that the whole audience paid eyes on her. The male leading actor of Kundali Bhagya and Anupama series is none other than Sudhanshu Pandey. He won the Best Actor award in 2021 IT award function. Ye Rishte Kya Kehlata Hai producer Rajan Shahi also shared a photo with his lead actors Mohsin Khan and Shivangi Joshi, celebrating the recognition award to his show. And the next one, Colors TV Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2, that stars Helly Shah, Rahul Sudhir and Vishal Vasishtha in the lead roles, bagged Best Serial Award. Producer Mamta Patnaik shared a picture and wrote, "Thank you ITA for the Best Series Award. Congratulations to the wonderful cast and crew of Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2. Helly too shared an image from the show on Instagram thanking ITA for honoring them with the ITA Best Show 2020 award Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2. On the event, Helly attracts everyone's attention on her outfit for few minutes. Helly chose a body-hugging grey metallic gown for the event and she teamed it with high heels. Coming to the next one, Nikhil Vivedi, who was last seen in Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, also graced the event and won an award. Okay, well, next, Shweta Tiwari, who was last seen in TV show Mere Dad Ki Dulhan, walked the red carpet last night in the high-slit black gown. She posed for some pictures with Urvashi Dokholia and shared those pictures on her official Instagram account. Her pictures got very huge response from her fans for her dressing style. She also took to Instagram and shared a picture with Urvashi from the event. She captioned, "A woman should be three things: intelligent, strong and badass. That's what she is." At the right of Urvashi Dokolia, she wrote alongside the picture. Coming to the next, Urvashi Dokolia. Urvashi on the other hand donned 9 yards. She wore a black and grey combinated saree, which was looking both western and traditional look. She attracted her fans with her outfit. Before coming to the show, she took some pictures with her saree and uploaded it in her Instagram account. And the final one, Crystal D'Souza, the beautiful and gorgeous actress. One of the most glamorous ladies of the evening was Crystal D'Souza. She wore a grey and silver jumpsuit with heels. She stood outside and posed many pictures for media as she was interviewed by a news reporter by asking a question, "What's your outfit details? It's looking gorgeous." She answered, "This grey outfit was one of my favorite. It's little expensive, but comfort is important for me. For me, it's very comfortable and classy, so I wore it today." Well guys, these are the highlights of the award function 2021. If you love the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times for more and more video updates like this. Thank you guys, keep supporting.